हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ केमिस्ट्री वाला। आज हम क्लास 11 चैप्टर 1 एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। अब हम बोर्स मॉडल के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। अब हम बोर्स मॉडल के थ्योरी ख़त्म करने वाले हैं। आफ्टर दैट we will do another video about Bohr's model and some introduction about hydrogen spectrum. Not hydrogen spectrum, I have left some topics. So like the topics of nature of light, wave theory. Next topic is frequency, units of frequency, wavelength, amplitude, velocity, electromagnetic spectrum, corpuscular theory. Okay, black body radiation, Planck's quantum theory, Einstein's approach, quantum effect. After that we will do hydrogen spectrum. I think it will be completed by tomorrow. Atomic structure whole will be completed by tomorrow. I'll do some bits of atomic structure tomorrow, and it will be a 1 hour video. Please hang on to it. We are doing small parts of a video. I think that will be good for you all. Now enjoy the video. Now first we are going to discuss about Rydberg's constant. Now let's take the Rydberg's constant. Where is my black screen? Yeah. Okay, everyone can hear me completely well, right? Okay, actually in the last video, in the last 15 minutes, no one was able to hear. Audio all is very fine. So let's start the concept of today's. I'll start with Rydberg's constant. Now, what is Rydberg's constant? Yeah, and many people have doubt. What is Rydberg's constant? Rydberg's constant, if you see delta E, you get RHC. I'll bracket, I'll write down 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, which means this is the energy between the two orbitals. Okay? Now what is Rydberg's constant? I'll just write the Rydberg's constant away. Okay, not need of the formulas. Just remember this shortcut. It will be very useful to you. Into Z square. What is Z here? It is the atomic number, as you all know. If they tell copper, Cr, copper, Cu, copper, and first orbital to second orbital. So, and what is this copper atomic number? 1.09677 into 29 square. Okay, like that you should do. But we can write Rydberg constant in another way. I'll tell you that other way. 1 minute. See guys, this is a nice photo about Rydberg constant. And please note down this photo, or else note down this photo. Okay, now let's get back into the topic. We have done the Rydberg constant now. As the value of N2 increases, the different energy becomes smaller. Okay, if N2, that means it may be second or third orbital. Let's take a red color. N2, if it is third orbital, the energy decreases. If it is first orbital, energy increases. Okay, next, where am I? Yeah, here. The expression is commonly known as Bohr's frequency rule. Now what is the expression? I'll show you in a blank screen. We can take anything except black over here. Delta E is equal to Z square RHC into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. You have to remember these formulas. These are very, very, very important. Okay, to solve any physical chemistry question. Okay, let's go to the next one. All can hear me? Okay, next, velocity of electron. This is going to be very interesting. Velocity of electron. Let's write it down. I'm going to try to write it as small as I can. Is equal to 2 pi Z E square by NH. That is Z, not 2, guys. Okay, then we get 2.18 I think there must be another constant behind the 8. I don't remember it. I'll tell you if I remember it. 10 10 to the power of 8 by n, because this whole equation and this high square is all constant terms. I told you, right? Next, velocity of nth shell is equal to Vn is equal to velocity of electron in nth orbit. Okay. Now V1 is equal to velocity of electron of E minus in first orbit. Okay. Orbit. Everyone see all my videos, you will understand it better and quick. You will be very, very, very fast to learn about atomic structure. Very fast. I'm telling you, this is going to be the best channel of chemistry. Okay. I think you all, I appreciate you all for subscribing my channel, liking my channel, seeing all my videos and giving the comments like wanna be friends. That's fake comment, I know that. But I'm hello. No problem. Another guy suggested me about using a board and I replied him, and I'll try to use a board next time. Now, I have to reveal something very special now. Who is CW? It's easy. Chemistry wala. All love this channel, beloved fans of Chemistry Wala, beloved students of Chemistry Wala. I'm very happy that everyone likes my videos. Everyone is seeing my videos, grasping it. They're enriching their knowledge. How did I get the name Chemistry Wala? My love of chemistry. My heart is broken by chemistry and it is attached by again chemistry. Okay, now let's go into the topic again. For hydrogen atom like species, that means H, He plus, Li plus 2, like that only. This Bohr's atomic theory is all about the hydrogen like species. Okay, now velocity of hydrogen like species is equal to ZV1 by N. Okay, thank you. Now let's read this. Where am I? Oh my god. Magnitude of velocity of electron increases with the increase of positive charge on the nucleus. I'll explain you here. If magnitude of velocity, velocity is a vector quantity, so it must have direction and magnitude. Okay, the magnitude increases when 1 minute. Let's continue the topic. Magnitude of velocity of electron increases with the increase of positive charge on the nucleus. What this means is the number of protons in the nucleus. Is number of protons in a nucleus increases means the magnitude of velocity increases. What am I saying? What am I trying to say? The positive charge on the nucleus increases. Then the velocity of electron increases. Okay, now we have completed the velocity of electrons. If anyone has any doubt, they can keep it in the comment. I'll reply you as quick as I can. Okay, number of revolutions per second or orbital frequency by an electron in a shell is equal to, I'll write it down for you all. Please note in this whatever I'm saying in a book. I beg you all. Okay, I'm not a teacher. I should not beg you all. is equal to velocity by circumference. Note it down, circumference. Ference. Not your friends, it's circumference. Okay, V by 2 pi r. What is circumference of an orbit? Orbit is circle. No, I'm so sorry. Orbit is circular. Okay, this is an orbit. Circumference should be, the diameter is pi r. The circumference should be 2 pi r. Okay, nice. Next, after we substitute all the values of velocity and circumference and everything, we get a whopping nice number. I'll tell you what's the number. So the number of revolutions, rev per second, I'm so sorry, or frequency, FRE, frequency. See, my handwriting is very bad, no problem. Is equal to, remember this number, this is going to be very helpful in your competitive exams. 6.66 into 10 to the power of 15. What? 15? 15 j squared by n cube. The opposite of the number of revolution is the time period of the revolution. It is time in nth shell is equal to circumference by velocity in nth shell, Vn, is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 16 n cube by z square seconds. Okay, thank you all. Now, ionization potential, IP. For hydrogen atom, the ionization potential is E1 by n square. For hydrogen like species like Li plus 2 is equal to E1 into z square by n square. Okay, now ionization potential of everything, that will be about 30. I told you E1, that means kinetic energy, is equal to 30.6 plus 13.6 by into z square by n square EV. Thank you. Now let's talk about the limitations of Bohr's model. Now I'm going to explain you it. Limitation of Bohr's model. It failed to explain the line spectrum of atoms and or ions having more than one electron. I have told you it should be like hydrogen or hydrogen like species like He plus Li plus 2. Okay, thank you. Next, it fails to account the fine spectral details of the hydrogen atom. You know, the doublet that is two closely spaced lines. You know that doublet, the two closely spaced lines. He could not explain that spectrum. Okay, it failed to explain the Zeeman effect and Stark effect. I'll tell you what is Zeeman effect and Stark effect. 1 minute, I have to give you the splitting of spectral lines of an atom into a group of fine lines under the influence of magnetic field is Zeeman effect. Okay, magnetic field is Zeeman effect. Field is Zeeman effect. Zeeman effect. And Stark effect is very easy. Same, the splitting of spectral lines of an atom into groups of fine lines, but in electric effect. Electric field, I'm so sorry. You can remember this name very easily because you all know Tony Stark, Iron Man, the Iron Man. So remember his name, Stark. Stark. I'm so sorry about the handwriting. EFFECT effect. Okay, note everything down. Next, Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom not only ignores dual behavior of matter but also contradicts Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. I will explain you Heisenberg's uncertainty principle in a few videos. Okay, so how much did the video length came? This is the video about Bohr's atomic model, and I will give you some nice questions and problems, and I'll solve it in front of you. Okay? Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.